IIC welcome, a first semester student of ENT department. Good morning.
How you can think enough in every dimension on a particular topic. Right. Your first round is over. I would like to ask all the audience to put your hands together for all the participants, and I hope they will get energized and they will be boosted by your thunderous clapping. Once again, put your hands together. As you know, the topic.
So today we are all together here for the discussion. Topic is online education is technology replacing traditional knowledge. So
training placement.
go over the traditional knowledge. Good morning, present over here, respected teachers and seniors. I am Anna, a fourth semester student of Computer Science and Engineering branch. As we are gathered here for the group discussion, this topic is online education. Is technology replacing traditional learning? For I go totally against of online education because I think technology superior. To start the introduction part. So everybody, just introduce yourself one by one.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are all the respected teachers present over here and my fellow participants. I am Bhadrak, a sixth semester student of Computer Science Engineering department. So today we are gathered here for the roundtable discussion, and the topic is online education is technology replacing the traditional education. And I choose the